Hi everyone, I'm Agnishika, and I am so excited to welcome you to HRVerse. This is a place where we can learn, share, and grow together in the world of human resources. First up, HRVerse is a community built for absolutely everyone, whether you're a curious student or a fresher looking for your first job, or an experienced HR professional wanting to sharpen your skills. You belong right here. Next, we focus exclusively on the highly practical skills you actually need on the job. We'll master Indian payroll, navigate complex labor laws, ensure statutory compliance, and conquer Excel for HR. And finally, we make the actual learning process completely stress-free. If you're just starting out, don't worry about the heavy jargon. We break down dense legal documents and intimidating policies into simple, visually engaging lessons. By translating those complex HR tools into easy lessons, you get the exact practical knowledge you need so you can confidently climb that career ladder. Subscribe, stay connected, and let's grow together.